Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong morway. Ko Mbea.
Wat mundur li min em temian Mbea. Nam kum ta ti mayai hap kun sai so nap kin chong Mbea.
Mbea kertang complete. Tempat jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Labor reform. New labor code we oppose. New labor code we oppose. New labor code we oppose. New labor code anti-social.
Kinong Trey Joko Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited Shalom Branch ki badan hapok Kshatri Joko Meghalaya Bank Employee Association kila penlongi ke Ïakhih ke bajajai endalakut ki kanta Trey kam hak janmi juga khadwai trik urampang ajar apun rio kata shisngi shwabn shimenta ke Ïakhih bela penlong dak Central Trade Union habarok ka wikari kata ka khad artarik urampang ajar apun rio. General Secretary ke Meghalaya Bank Employee Association uba David Lalu But Secretary juga All Indian Lawyers Union Meghalaya State Committee Dr. PC Naigi kila om bagi Pyrshang adu kata-kata yang labor law melawan ra dak Sorkar India namar bakalong kumaknyat ya kinong tray bedak kaju kapor kila ong ru bagi kendon kibla penrung hapok labor code kilong ban Pynsngap jar habakum kinong tray Ïakhih kimat jing dawa.
Workers' unity is Zindabad. Working class unity is Zindabad. Working class unity is Zindabad. Banking and insurance workers' unity is Zindabad. Unity is Zindabad. 8 hour. Our right. 8-hour work is our right. Our right. Do not change labor laws. Do not change labor laws. Corporate. Do not cheat workers for corporate. Challenge. Labor right is constitutional right. Do not challenge. Do not deceive women worker in the name of empowerment. Do not deceive. Do not workers in the name of empowerment. Do not deceive. Women, we condemn. Insecure night shift for women, we condemn. Insecure night shift for women, we condemn. Labor reform. New labor code, we oppose. New labor code, we oppose. New labor code, we oppose. New labor code, anti-social.
Ngidon hangni ni pelong yang ni kecing elang amar ba la syai kesngi kadan ka strike ka balak lo ka balak khad ka Central Trade Union habaro ka wekari kane ka strike kalong namar ba kadan kecing temu jang Sorkar ban pentelano ikini ki labor law kidan hadu at khandai tili kini ki labor law henry menta hak kerteng ban ease of doing business ne bak pen khamsok ban ra kecing kala kat tu kat ni kila introduce southerly ki labor code but habangi paipat ikini ki labor code sakajaka bakan ai ki bentoy kita ki boong ki worker ki nong tray andre penban hi shemba ka long anti worker na anti people takadau kani ka Central Trade Union ki badan hadu proprietary ki trade union hapo kari kejongi ngila khot ya kani ka gejing Ïakhih la syai sisngi bakadan ka strike baru la syai kasngi tengiru naki sektor ki prepare naki bank naki LIC naki income tax office baki we ru ngin simbentah hakanika naki lawyer ru ngin simbentah hakanika strike la syai di haba pa yigini ki labor code hakaway na ka labor code ka wages kilaong ba banta kandan kata ka paki ka flow rate kani ka flow rate kamot na ka central government kan sabu ita ka rate bakata ka rate kalaitang sispa hinyo kulay tingka 178 rupees but kini ka flow rate kala fix po pa da Sorkar bagini ki state government pat kila ban fix da lada ka jongka ka rate henry kimla ban long tuna ya kata ka flow rate henry fees to 178 rupees minimum per day. But hashi benai kat no overtrain unyo tang around 5,340 rupees unyo. Te kumlu pendap bila dia naik pat ya keren ya ka family kajong u. Kadang persyak bhai kan ni kajing temu bakum kan ni kan. Di ada fikiran sepang ke flow rate hawat ke state government kil aibor bakila ban bo ikirit kasyong kat kum ke reason bat ka skill jeng kinong tray. Hari penban ka state government nganget ban yo ka foreign FDI ke investment po ka state dan lalai ki numbu ka wages ka bahai mo kenapa kan dan ke investment ha state bat kumta bisu thu sai mulu ban shitam mulu ban jenjat ki de kinong tray bagi worker bagi ong dedo kumta di hakani ka flow rate ru haka ka wages act government shwa kadon ke revision every 3 years dan hakani ka mantapat kadon ke revision only 5 years. After 5 years te pusutu katkum ke kipor kejing kiudor kejing dong dawa penban ka Sorkar cakap ban pensuk penban kadang pet susu te kumta but hakani ka wages ko ru kum kini ki worker ni de molong organize di judan ki trade union ki bagi khatma dari penban mantaru ban register ka trade union ru ngimla syu kaladon kabala ka kiladon ki an kiba kring bah bagi register kum ki trade union mensua nyongot lala ban form trade union menta kil ong di badan sispa ne 110 whichever is less de kum taru kalah sitam ha kadau kalong bet nglesis ban su ong bet ndong kam trade union khalam bom dan ban kren persya eke gijing temu jong ka Sorkar mo kinu ki policy ki balong anti people anti worker mo anti what ya bolong persya ya ka riru kadang kum kataru kadang Pyrshang ban Pynsngap jaring gigi trade union ki bagi persya bangi ikum kita kijing le jo ka Sorkar ti nalor kataru menta bangin ngisi edan ki strike kum to henry menta bensuang gila ban ai ka strike Klam ai ka notice henry menta kladon kata ka strike bas 60 days before the strike date ngidi ban ai ka notice ifla sotho si arbra shwa ka strike kum ngin strike kum ngin ki kum ngin Pynsngap ka sur ka jongi kum ginong tre kum ki pajba Yanang dapat hakani ko wages ko ru kadang kata ka fixed time period. Kasi siya kari gijongi ngi iba ka employment ka jorba ki brief samla ki bolong qualify ki mi akam. Hajaka ban create employment but permanent employment ban ki wara yakani ka fixed time employment. But kani fixed time employment kelas ki matay ka shahinay kalau ba fixed time period ma fintray. But ki ong ka ay ka gratuity. Are habang siya mangipuli ni gratuity hasis nam kini gratuity kan poitang san hajar le ayu kan bitai san hajar if sutu kata re gejing jaka ban create employment ki wara man da kani ka pakiong ka fixed time employment dia mantaru kadang kani pakiong kata ka retrenchment layoff ma bun sin ngi yo snob ham ta ka jur ba kani ka retrenchment le layoff menswa ba fin layoff le fin retrench le fin kidong kam hadu odang ka kinu ki jaka tore ki badan sespa ngot ki brio salwar ki haban le sa ka Sorkar ba nyo ya ka jingbet they have to go to the law depan ban menta ban kejayu ha ka jaka bakin ban penduna sisu ba kata ban yo ka hok jeng kinong tray ki worker ban ki katakan number na 100 sha 300 mutkido kino ki jaka tray lada kidan industry kido kidan below 300 kila ban sule ya kan ki layoff retrenchment ban sube abet basuang claim dadan kadolo ban lek saka Sorkar ne ban lek saka an tikilong kini ki kindet ke ba ngapan pa ne report kinang dan su kiwi deh tama publish bon
we are gathered here along with our friends colleagues that because tomorrow we are going to join the All India General Strike, which is called by the 10 trade unions. It was decided on the 6th of January 2026. Now the question is, this strike just to repeal the 4 codes, that is labor codes. And now these 4 labor codes, already it is explained by my friend that 29 labor laws, these are amalgamated or clubbed into 4 labor codes. Let me tell you in short that with, you know that in 1886 that in the city of Chicago, so many laborers, workers, they were agitating for their demand that 8 hours work, 8 hours recreation or entertainment, and 8 hours rest. Now, that movement, ultimately, it was a great success for the workers' community, and that is why we celebrate that 1st of May Labor Day. And what happened now? Internationally, that formula is accepted, that 8 hours work, 8 hours entertainment, and 8 hours rest. As per this code, the 100 workers in one factory, maximum 100 workers. Within these 100 workers, any retrenchment, any layoff, they are the employer or the owner of the factory or the owner of the industry, they can easily lay off or easily retrench the employee. But now it has been increased to 300. That means up to 300 workers in a factory. So it has been given the chance to the employer, to the owner of the factory, that any dispute they can lay off. So we strongly protest this one, because if the limit of number of workers, if it is crossing 300, that means then only they have to take the permission from the government. Second thing, the labor court. Any dispute between the owner and the worker, that dispute, if it is not solved in the lower level, then finally it goes to the labor court, according to the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. But now what government is going to do, that they are going to make a tribunal. That system, it will be no more. And in the tribunal, the member of the tribunal, it will be in the deputy commissioner level. So these are the things which we strongly support. Besides that, you see, already my friend explained this one. 14 days, that 14 days system, any strike, if it is called, then 14 days notice is to be given. Now it has been extended to 60 days. But during this period, if any discussion is going on, any in between factory owner and the workers, then the union cannot go for a strike. Besides this, we are protesting that one Shanti Bill 2025. That is the thing that's sustainable, that nuclear energy, government has given this one the chance to the foreign companies, foreign authorities. Now, without any guarantee to the workers or to the employees of the nuclear sector. So if there is no guarantee, no security, what will happen? You already know in 1984 when Bhopal gas tragedy happened, so many people, they died, and ultimately finally what happened? At the last moment, compensation, it was just in vain. Similarly, we are protesting seats bill. Then we are protesting this one, Sorkar Bima Yojana. That means insurance. That insurance, government is welcoming the foreign investor. That is 100% they can invest. So if they invest, the foreign companies, 100% investment means totally the control will be in their hand without any control of our government. So I appeal to all the working class, that common citizens, to join tomorrow's strike, so that we can show our government that the way your idea, the dogmatic idea, what you want to go for this labor codes and some other bills, it is not possible to accept by the citizens. So our stand is very much pragmatic, realistic, straightforward. So thank you.